Changing your profile picture on Paramount Plus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log in. Open the Paramount Plus app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Select profile. In your account settings, locate the section for profiles. Click on the profile you wish to edit, as you may have multiple profiles under one account. Step 4. Change profile picture. Look for the option to change or edit your profile picture. You may be prompted to upload a new image from your device or select from available options. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting or uploading your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your new picture is set. Once you've completed these steps, your profile picture on Paramount Plus will be updated. Enjoy your viewing experience with your new look.